Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. I'm here with Tommy. Tommy's got a killer 53 Chevy 3100. Man, where do we start with this thing?
5-window, long bed,
Mm-hmm.
460 big block, made it to a C6 tranny,
Nice overdrive tranny.
8.2 posi rear.
Oh, you just did that too, right? Coilovers.
Brand new. Coilovers, palm traction.
This paint is killer. It's gleaming. Tons of metallic. Definitely looks like a modern color. It's almost like a black cherry,
Yeah, definitely.
you know?
Nice bit of flake and paint.
Mm-hmm. Power steering, power brakes, power windows.
Heated seat, AC.
Everything. Custom headlights up front. Rack and pinion steering.
Yes.
4-wheel disc brakes.
Yes.
Love the headlights too with the integrated turn signals.
Absolutely.
Really cleans it up. And a great stance too.
Yeah, bumpers have been pushed in, dropped in the back.
A lot of love in this truck. Love the bed too. It's like a pickled oak. The matching runners. Love the 5 windows too. Like a must have. Really makes it, you know.
Yeah, 5-window nice.
Dual exhaust, so he's got long tube headers leading to Flowmasters. Sounds really nice. Wrapped in American Racing wheels, wrapped in brand new tires. Not many miles on this build too. What would you guess?
I'd probably put 1,000 on it.
1,000 maybe, if that.
It was a fairly new build when I got it. I think you could less than 1,000. So.
Wow, super nice. This 5-window box gives you a little more room too, rather than the standard box. Split bench up front. Looks like I did it to a column. Again, power windows. Got a custom MPI steering wheel. That's probably from LMC. It's wrapped in Alcantara. Dakota digital gauges. This truck is new. Gorgeous headliner. Man, a lot of money in this thing. Let's check under the hood. She is 460. Edelbrock Performer manifold. MSD ignition. MSD blaster coil. Power steering, power brakes. Aluminum radiator. Nice big electric fan on here to keep it cool. Again, new. All brand new wiring. What if it's beautiful in here? You didn't have to do anything to the firewall or anything. It's got all, looks like stainless steel hardware everywhere. So probably APR bolts riddled throughout the truck. Everywhere. This paint is just, I can't get over how gorgeous. It's like super deep, you know? Some custom high intensity lights, integrated turn signals. New everything, new rubbers, new glass, new felts in the windows, door handles, carpet. Seat looks like it's from LMC too. Brand new, right down to the brackets, hardware, and everything. Hey Tommy, can you fire it up?
Sure.
spin it around the block? Nice to have AC on a day like this. Put 355s in the rear?
Yep.
Sounds good. Show you the truck in the shade. It almost looks black. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button below. And hit me up, weebyautos.com.